એક મિનિટની વાર્તા. આ વાર્તા જે છે એ ઉબુન્તુની વાર્તા છે. આફ્રિકામાં એક એવી પ્રજાતિ છે કે જે એમની પ્રજાતિમાં કોઈ પણ માણસ કંઈ ખોટું કરે તો એને બરાબર વચ્ચે મૂકે. આ ટેબલ પડ્યું છે એવી રીતે વચ્ચે રાખે અને આસપાસ આખી પ્રજાતિ સમાજના લોકો જે છે એ બધા ભેગા થાય અને પછી જોર જોરથી બોલી બોલીને એ માણસને પોતાના ગુણ યાદ કરાવે. આપણે હંમેશા એવું જ જોયું છે કે લોકો એકબીજાને પોતાના અવગુણ યાદ કરાવતા હોય છે. ઓહો, બહુ વજન વધી ગયું, કેવા ખેલ થઈ ગયા, અરે રે માથાના બધા વાળ જતા રહે. આવું કહેતા આપણે ક્યારેય ખચકાતા નથી, પણ કોઈ વ્યક્તિના વખાણ કરવાના હોય ત્યારે આપણે 10 વાર વિચારતા હોઈએ છીએ. આવું કેમ થાય છે? આવું તમે ક્યારે વિચાર્યું છે? દરેકે દરેક વ્યક્તિ જે સમાજમાં એકબીજા સાથે જોડાયેલી છે એને એકબીજાની પ્રેરણાની જરૂર છે. આ વાત જો દિશિતની જેમ બધા જ સમજી જાય તો આપણા સમાજને બહુ હેલ્ધી સમાજ મળી શકે. એન્ડ એસ્પેશિયલી આઈ એમ મીટિંગ અ મેન who is sitting here next to me and helping a women tribe come together. Hi Dishit.
Hi Devki, thank you so much for being here.
We are very happy to let you know કે અમે એક બહુ જ સરસ મજાનો કોન્સેપ્ટ લઈને તમારા માટે આવ્યા છીએ અને આ કોન્સેપ્ટ જે છે એ આ 13મી તારીખે અમદાવાદની, ગુજરાતની કે ભારતની અલગ અલગ મહિલાઓને એક સાથે એક જગ્યાએ ભેગી કરે છે. એન્ડ વી આર ડેવલપિંગ આર ઓન વિમેન ટ્રાઇબ. અને આ વિમેન ટ્રાઇબ જે રીતે ભેગી થશે એમાં જેટલી પણ સ્ત્રીઓ આવશે એમાંથી 50થી વધારે સ્ત્રીઓ જે એન્ટરપ્રિનર્સ છે એની પ્રોડક્ટ્સ અમે તમારા માટે ડિસ્પ્લે કરીશું. ઓલ ધ વિમેન કેન કમ એન્ડ બાય ધોઝ પ્રોડક્ટ્સ. દેર ઇઝ એન્ટરટેનમેન્ટ હેપનિંગ ફોર યુ. કોમેડી ફેક્ટરીમાં તમે પહેલાં એની શરૂઆત જોયેલી અને પછી પ્રીતિદાસે પોતાનું વિમેન્સ ઓન સ્ટેન્ડઅપ કોમેડી સ્ટેજની શરૂઆત કરી અને એને નામ આપ્યું મહિલા મંચ. આ મહિલા મંચનું એક બહુ જ સ્પેશિયલ યુનિક પરફોર્મન્સ તમે જોવા જઈ રહ્યા છો. And then there is also going to be a band when Chai Met Toast.
Yes, when Chai Met Toast is coming.
Is going to come and perform for women. There is Tambola. But this is not just the end of it. This is the beginning of it. જેના વિશે આજે દિશિત સાથે વાત કરવાની છે. દિશિત, સ્ત્રીઓ એકબીજા સાથે જોડાઈને એક બહુ એમ્પાવરિંગ કોર્નર બનાવી શકે, વિમેન સોશિયલ કોર્નર. How did this idea come up in your head?
Yeah, so actually when I think back, when I joined Gulab, let's say in 2014-15, you know, we were always more focused on how do we sell our product to women.
Right.
And you know, that was the core thing, the core discussions always, you know. So I always kept on meeting a lot of females, and when I joined the business, I used to sit at our depot. So all the buyers, when we talk about, were females. So almost 80% je aata tha, who walked in on our depot were females. So I had a good interaction to the spectrum, right from 30 age group till 55, 60 used to come. So I did a lot of interactions with them. And ત્યાં મને એવું થતું હતું કે, you know, eventually someday I'll make a community which can give back to the society some way or the other, and I can bring every sort of department or every type of work together which is not there, because there are a lot of committees and mandals જ્યાં ખાલી, you know, houses થાય છે,
or let's call them kitty parties.
Kitty parties, yeah. ઘણા બધા, you know, there are lot many book clubs there. There are a lot of places there, you know, stand up થઈ રહ્યું હશે, comedy થઈ રહી હશે, theater થઈ રહ્યું હશે. But there was no place where everybody could come together. So there were a lot of networking sessions also happening, but બધી વસ્તુ એક જગ્યાએ ક્યાંય નથી. So there was no place where there was something for everybody. So if you are a home chef, there is something for them also here. So I always wanted to create an identity or a community where everybody was welcome. If you are a housewife, you could come, you can talk. So the best part of WSC always has been the socializing, you know, the engagement, the interactions that we always had, that, you know, we just met over evenings and coffees when the group was very small. You know, we were hardly 30, 35, 50 people in the earlier days, because that time the idea was very new and people did not believe કે આટલું મોટું થઈ જશે. And today when I
you believed it.
I believed
આપણે
it.
ઘણી બધી વાર કોફી પર વાત કરી છે ત્યારે you have mentioned this કે આ સતત ગ્રો થઈ રહ્યું છે દેવકી, and I am so very happy about it કે આટલી બધી સ્ત્રીઓ સાથે જોડાઈ રહી છે. And see, it might come across as something કે જેમાં તમને એવું લાગે કે this is only a fun place to be. But we also want to tell you very clearly, and I can say this on behalf of Dishit, that this is a place where we want women to come, like-minded women ને મળે અને એની પાસેથી એ ઇન્ટરેક્શનથી કંઈ આપલે થઈ શકે. There must be an exchange of knowledge, exchange of warmth, exchange of empathy, exchange of understanding, resonating with other people, exchange of challenges at the same time, how did you overcome them, and exchange of opportunities. એટલે આ એક એવું પ્લેટફોર્મ બને કે જ્યાં તમે એકબીજા સાથે આવીને એવી રીતે ઇન્ટરેક્ટ કરી શકો કે જેને કારણે યુ કેન કમ અપ નોટ જસ્ટ અલોન બટ વિથ અ ટ્રાઇબ ઓફ વિમેન હુ મેક યુ સ્ટ્રોંગર એન્ડ બેટર. સો આ કોન્સેપ્ટ જે છે એ ભારતીય કલ્ચરમાં છેલ્લા ઘણા બધા સમયથી તમને દેખાતો નથી. You only keep hearing these stereotypes which thankfully now changing. એની એક વાર્તા કહું. એક નાનકડું ગામ હતું. એ ગામની અંદર 100 ઘર હતા. આ ઘરમાં કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ વીજળી નહોતી. તો ગામવાળા બધા ખુશ હતા કે ઠીક છે, કંઈ વાંધો નહીં, બધાને ખબર છે કે સૂર્યાસ્ત થાય એટલે આપણે બધાએ પોતપોતાનું કામ પતાવી લેવાનું છે, જમી લેવાનું છે અને સૂઈ જવાનું. તો બધા એવરીબડી વોઝ કમ્ફર્ટેબલ. 100 ઘરમાં આ બધા જ ઓકે હતા. એક દિવસ એવું થયું કે તારા જેવો એક માણસ જે છે એ શહેરની બહાર ગયો અને એ ત્યાંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફાનસ લઈ આવ્યો. હવે આખા ઘરમાં એક જ ઘરમાં લાઇટ હતી અને બાકી 99 ઘરમાં લાઇટ નહોતી. તો કેન યુ ઇમેજિન શું થાય? રાઈટ? કાં તો 99 એ બહાર જઈને લાઇટ લાવવી પડે, ઓર વધારે ઇઝી શું છે કે 99 ભેગા કરીને એની લાઇટ તોડી નાખે. બરાબર? તો આપણા સમાજમાં હવે આ એક જેનેરિક મેન્ટાલિટી છે કે એક જણ પાસે કંઈ સારું છે તો 99 જણાએ ભેગા થઈને એને પતાવી દેવું, જેને કારણે થઈને એ વ્યક્તિ આગળ ન આવી શકે. આ મેન્ટાલિટીમાંથી ખસવા માટે આપણે બધાએ બહુ કોન્શિયસલી પ્રયત્ન કરવાનો છે. અને આ માત્ર સ્ત્રીઓ સાથે થતું હોય છે એવું નથી. પુરુષો પણ પુરુષોને એટલા થ્રેટ આપતા હોય છે જેટલા સ્ત્રીઓ સ્ત્રીઓને થ્રેટ આપતી હોય છે, જેટલા પુરુષો સ્ત્રીઓને અને સ્ત્રીઓ પુરુષોને થ્રેટ આપતા હોય છે. નાઉ ઓલ ઓફ ધીસ ઇઝ ઇન્ટરમિંગલ્ડ એન્ડ હાઉ ડુ વી બીકમ મોર હેલ્ધીયર એન્ડ હેલ્પફુલ સોસાયટી, એના માટેનો આ પ્રયત્ન જે છે એની ચર્ચા આપણે કરી રહ્યા છીએ. સો દિશિત, when you wanted to start this, how did you get in touch with women? There were customers.
Yeah.
But why would they believe into having a social network?
Yeah, very true. So actually what happened is I was just thinking about it and I was sharing with my friends and family and they said, oh, this is such a big thing to do. This is not possible. How will you start it? And you know, I always had a few colleagues who were who's you know, in Ahmedabad. So I went to them, shared the idea. Also, my wife is being very intellectual all the time. She's the artist. So I always have to go to her first. So I shared the same idea with her and she's like, don't think a lot. Let's create a website. And she helped me create the first website of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. She almost made the sort of a logo, which is almost the logo today. 90% we are there. So she was an inspiration that Nathu Karizkat, it's a great idea. She just told me, how are you going to evolve? You should know that. And that time there was a girl, ex-editor from Time. She was a part of the journey in the earlier days. Vishwa was a part of it. You know, we also had briefly talked about it in the earlier days that this is something that I want to do.
Correct.
And so on. And then there were a few ladies in Gulab who were at a good place, who helped me build this community and who helped me take it to another level. The only difference was that all these women did not have a platform online to spread it across or beyond Ahmedabad. And that was one of my biggest concerns, that I don't want to do it for Ahmedabad because just Ahmedabad, you know, wouldn't give that impact, and I knew we could do something for India. And that is why I went online, you know, created a community with Instagram also. All the first staff that I recruited were female, so there was no male staff except me and
you.
Yeah.
बस मैं ही कन्हैया बन के रहूँगा और बाकी सब जो है.
Because at that time, being very honest, I mean, I did not have a lot of female staff, and then this was a thing that I wanted to do. No, only female staff, and they'll only run the show.
Right.
And if you see, since post-COVID, since the time the community has been very active, I'm never there, you know. So people might not even know there's a community that is being started by me. It's 100% run by women. Just one of my colleagues who helped me with the back-end thing is there. He's there since 21 with me. So yeah, I mean, that's how we started. And luckily what has happened, we are in 20 cities today and we are a good offline community of 20,000 females, online 80,000, which is growing day in, day out. And now we feel that we could grow it 10x. And that is why we thought of, you know, at least to start with celebrating. So this is you know, we're trying to celebrate. This is a sort of a success of the community that we have reached 1 lakh. And I should not say this, but the whole idea is to back females. You know, what happens is, the best thing is all the 50 entrepreneurs we are giving a space. I also closely have been seeing their work. They are shortlisted also by the team where we want to promote them, and somehow we are also trying to get in a lot of HNIs who can eventually, if they like it, they might also invest in the startup. So,
Lovely.
So that is the idea, because with me in the ecosystem, taking it also more forward, the new website. So all these females will have a platform like Amazon, where if you are a part of the community, we'll give you a space to sell your products also. And entire supply chain will be handled by us, because that's my actual background, the actual sales, which I feel the smaller community or the smaller business entrepreneurs or the female entrepreneurs might face problems in the earlier days. That's where I feel I can back them up, and they can, they will not face the same problems which I did in my earlier days, So that's what I'm trying to bring with WSC. While I talk about networking, then there is a journalist on board who is Janvi. She leads the content for us. There are people from different spectrum. There is Preeti Thakkar who takes care of the mandals, all the ladies who are 40 plus who want to go to the kitties, we're trying to get them on board. We have a place for blogging, vlogging, any individual females who want to come and write for the page. We are more than welcome here, and we are also eventually going to start paying them for whatever they write for us.
Right.
So it's a community, and also a lot of events. So we have put a event section that you can come on and put your events all by yourself. You don't need us. It's you can put your fees. The community is all to yourself. You can use the people and the naris that we call the females that we have on the community, and you can do the event all yourself. And right now we are doing everything on WhatsApp. But eventually we are making our own app, and the ecosystem will be more inclusive, where we can proudly say this is a close-knit group of women pan India. So that's the whole idea that we want to take out now.
So there is a summer bash, a big event that is happening on the 13th of this month. Starts at 4:30 in the evening. It's at the Merriment party plot at Sindhu Bhavan. And anybody who wants to join in, the tickets are available on Book My Show. Dishit, if I ask you what are who are these people who have influenced you most in your life in terms of women exposure? So who are these female icons who have impressed you in life?
That's the first question I've got. I'm most inspired by Vishwa, my wife, for sure. She has been that incredible talent, and she's always, sort of told me that you could still do better at any level I am, and she tells me today also, this is not you can still do better.
How nice.
Yeah, so she has always been the inspiration, and the whole wedding thing that we planned, you were there.
Correct.
So that's we both, she is one first inspiration, my mom for sure.
Yeah.
If I say across, I think you have always been around, you have been a big inspiration to me always, the way you've been growing. Yeah. I have also, so some way or the other, I am also a media person now, because handling a brand and the branding sites, I've seen you doing so good neutrally, so that's one of the big things that I've seen in you. So these are the few, and at I think bigger scale, I've been a tennis player, so I was always inspired by Serena Williams.
Yeah.
And sort of those type of, and anybody who was there doing business, because even my sisters, so it's difficult to be in the business in this men-run industry, we can say, because I see my cousins going in the market, and they initially facing those problems. We don't sit with females, and that people don't talk about it, but it's there in the market.
Absolutely.
It's there.
Absolutely.
I was just speaking in Marward University a few days back. One of the teachers was a distributor to a big company from West. She was telling me the same. How do you face? तुमने लागे थे क्या बात साची है? मैं कहूँ my cousins are in the business with me. They face the same thing. I think we've been growing, and things are way better. I think if I see Gulab few years back and today, I think from no female staff to 25+% of female staff, and we are growing, and that's what we are trying. That at least it should be 50-50. That
absolutely
it should start with us. That's what we believe in, and things are way better. So yeah, the inspiration are incredible, but few for sure that I already named.
Now, if Dishit is going to be there, obviously we don't want to shut out other men. so we are more than happy to have all your male friends, family members to be there with you and enjoy the summer bash. And as I just said in the beginning of the conversation, this is just the beginning, not the end. We'll see you there.